She laughs at your text, calls you cute in the DMs, maybe even flirts hard over Snapchat, but the moment you meet in person, she pulls away. If you've ever felt like a different person online versus in real life, you're not alone. In fact, it's one of the biggest modern-day dating traps. You build a connection online, it feels real, you think she's genuinely into you, but when you finally hang out, the energy dies, the spark fizzles, and you're left confused, overanalyzing everything. This video is going to unpack exactly why that happens, from a psychological and emotional angle. More importantly, I'll show you how to fix it. So the next time you meet someone, the chemistry doesn't just survive in real life. Online, you can curate. You get time to think, edit your words, delete and retype. You're not worried about body language, eye contact, or your energy in the moment. That comfort creates a version of you that's funny, confident, and smooth. But real life is raw. Real life is energy. And most guys don't train for that. So what happens? When you finally meet her in person, she's subconsciously measuring something completely different. Your energy, your presence, your physical confidence, how relaxed she feels around you. If you show up stiff, unsure, overly logical, or too in your head, she doesn't feel what she felt online, and she might not even know why she lost interest. But the attraction fades. It's not because you're boring, it's because she never got the real you, just the filtered one. Women are deeply responsive to emotion, energy, and subtle cues. In fact, many women don't fall for what a man says, they fall for how he makes them feel. Online, words are all you have. So if you're witty, playful, and attentive, that emotional stimulation keeps her hooked. But offline, everything changes. She's looking for emotional presence, natural confidence, not arrogance, grounded eye contact, playfulness with tension, the ability to read a room, read her, and still lead the vibe. You don't need to be a supermodel, but you do need to be emotionally attuned. If she senses nervousness masked by overthinking, she sees a disconnection. She doesn't trust the energy, and women need to trust the energy to stay attracted. You don't need to perform in person. You need to be present. That means stop trying to be impressive. Start being expressive. Don't overthink your words. Bring your energy. The moment you stop trying to recreate your online charm and instead focus on being relaxed, grounded, and curious in the moment, you unlock real-life chemistry. Here's a simple mental reframe. Online is where the spark begins. In person is where the fire is built. If you're trying to impress, you're putting out the fire before it even starts. Let's break it down. 1. Practice presence daily. Start with short 5-minute daily practices. Put your phone down and observe your environment, your breath, your posture. This rewires your nervous system to stay relaxed around people. 2. Mirror work. Spend 3 to 5 minutes looking at yourself in the mirror and practicing grounded eye contact. Say one real sentence like, "I bring calm energy." This builds emotional congruence. 3. Meet more people. Don't wait for dating opportunities to show up. Start mini conversations with baristas, classmates, gym staff. Get used to creating energy with your vibe, not just your words. 4th, match your online and offline personas. Don't say things online you can't own in real life. If you're playful and teasing via text, be that way in person. If you're deep and thoughtful in messages, bring that energy to your conversations.